families, this is Mrs. Ball. Today I am going to show you how to access EPIC when you see a book on it through Canvas for your science course. When you get to the part of the lesson that shows the EPIC book, you're going to click the title of the book up top in the gray. This book is called Scientist, Scientist, What Do You See? This opens the book in a new tab for you. Once it's opened in a new tab, click Log In. Then click Students and Educators. Your child has been given a class code from their teacher. The class code for Mrs. Ball's class is RUK 9154. If you are not in Mrs. Ball's class, please ask your child's teacher for their specific class code. Then click Go. Now you are signed in and you will be able to read the book, Scientist, Scientist, What Do You See? Happy reading!